welcome to my channel. Today's video for Bubbles, Nena's Bubbles, is going to be a review of this little critter right here. The wireless charger phone holder for the car. That's why we are on my car and we're going to see if it charges. The only thing is that my phone is charged. So we're gonna go ahead and open it and tell you what it is, how it works, and if it's worth it to buy. This video is not sponsored, but they did send me this item for free to try it out and in return of a review. So I decided to also show you guys in video. So this is the charger. It says this is the box. It came a little beat up on the box, but it's just the box. And it's a 1 second wireless charger gravity car mount. It has, and it says it also require current and then charge quickly. Support 9V, 1.88 quick charge, and a 5V 2A standard charge. To achieve the best performance of this wireless charger, QC2 car charger is suggested to be adapter. In the process of charging, do not put any material like keyring, metallic phone case on the back of the phone device or wireless charger directly. So what it means, it cannot have a a phone case that has something hard or really thick that is not going to go through the charging. I believe the plastic ones or the transparent ones are fine. Mine, unfortunately, it's in a pouch, so I'm gonna have to be taking it off. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy, and I have the S7 still, but mine, it's pretty protected. So you open it like this. It has a little manual, my cousin manual right here. Are you guys a little lopsided? I think you guys are. And of course it has the USB cord right about here. Layla's on the back. Look at this, the USB cord right there. The next thing, the clipper to hold through, I'm thinking, the air vents on your dashboard. And it has this little button right here, and it opens out. It's really hard. It opens this little clamp right there. And then it has this little card there as well, and it has the little device right in here. And this is how it looks. It is by Squish. Look at that. That's the clamp. This is the charging device right here. It holds your phone, however thin or big it is. So I'm going to be putting my phone just like that, and it just holds it perfectly. Of course, if it had a little bit of another cover or phone case, it also opens quite a bit more. Look at this. My finger goes right in there. And right on the back, we're going to be putting the little ball here that you guys can see. You unscrew it, and then you can click it right in. Look, you have to move the knob, and then you tighten it back in. You can see everything. I'm thinking this goes like this, so it's easier to push. And then we're going to now face the other way so you guys could see. Now right here, my dashboard, it's a little bit different, so I'm thinking I'm going to put it on this side, and I'm going to clamp it right over here. I'm going to push the thing. I'm going to push it and put it right in there, and there's that guy right here. Now I'm going to get this thing. I'm thinking this is okay. So you actually will need one of these guys that is not included. It's not included on the box, so that's a bummer. I thought it worked differently. So you need one of these car things to work. So I'm going to put that guy there, and then with the USB cord that they included. This is the only thing that they included in here, a USB cord. Let's see if it's long enough from where my car charger is all the way up. This one, I do have another connector here. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna try with the other one, but that one is giving me problems, so we're gonna see if it works. So we're gonna put the bigger part of the USB cord right on the bottom, and now this one, the smaller one, goes into this device right here. Now this thing, it has it right there, right about there, connected right on the bottom. It works. This thing should be working now. So now let me check. I know my phone, it's a bit charged already, but look at we are in, look at 92%. My phone is charged to 92%. So now we're gonna try it and see if this thing works. Look at that. Did you guys saw that or no? Let me do that again so I could get quickly see. As soon as I put it there, it told me the percentage of the battery that I have, so it works. Look at this. Gonna do it again. Yep, 92%. I'm going to see if this thing charges, and we're gonna test it out if this thing works. If it's charging, you can see the little icon here, says is connected. You see that? That means it's connected to something, so something has to be working. We're just gonna wait and see if it does charge. You can see right there the charging thing. It's already on 93%. So it is charging, and it's sort of fast. I was going to retouch on the charger. It does charge a bit slow, I gotta tell you. And what I was saying about the card, if you don't have the car charger, which is a converter or an adapter, some cars now, not all of them, but some of them already include a USB port, like a connector thing for the USB. When I was doing the initial video, I forgot about this because I had this one closed, but most of them already have one of these in there, one or two. Most cars already have those. So just in case, just make sure if you don't have those, make sure you buy the adapter. I will still keep it at 4.8 rating because I do have that port, but in case you didn't, you would actually need to buy it. So that's still the same rating that I will give it. Also, the charging, I did try it with my phone case, and it actually charges as well. Look at this. My phone case has this thicker thing plus the leather. Look at that. See, it goes right through the phone case. So if I don't want to put it, if I don't want to take out the phone from the phone case, it connects. It charges, but it does charge a bit slow. So heads up for that. You're not gonna be charged and put it and then it'll be charged all right away. So it does charge a bit slow. It is not a fast charger work, and I think it charges a bit faster if I have the port connected to this instead of through the adapter to this into here. But yeah, I still keep it at a 4.8 rating for the wireless charger phone holder for the car. And just that is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you liked this video with me introducing you guys to the Squish wireless charger for your car. And yeah, hopefully you guys like. Down below will be the link to where you can buy it at Amazon, as well as the price and all the good shenanigans. Thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.